Hello then welcome to Hub Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. Welcome back to this new lesson. Now in this lesson we are looking at how to add and subtract integers. In our previous lessons we have looked at introduction to integers, and then we've looked at how to compare these integers as well. Stay tuned, take your notebook and your pencils, and let's practice along even as we go through this lesson. So to add and subtract integers, we'll be looking at two methods. The first one is using the number line. And as you see the number line on the screen, using the number line, it's just about movements. Okay. So anytime you see a positive number, if you see the positive sign, always move to the right. The number of times of the integer. And anytime you see negative, then just move to the left. You get it? So using the number line, let's try the following. Our first example here, let's try 2 plus 3. Of course, you know what 2 plus 3 is, but let's try using the number line. So we start from 0, and then our first command says 2. Take note that anytime you don't see a sign in front of a number, then you are still moving to the right. So we say 1, 2, we have moved 2 times to the right. Then the next command says let's move 3 times also to the right. So 1, 2, 3. And what does that give us? It gives us a 5. You see? So this is the idea. If you are seeing a positive integer, move to the right. If you are seeing negative, then you move to the left. You see? So once again, let's use the number line to illustrate this as well. So we have negative 1 plus a negative 4. Negative 1 plus a negative 4. So we start from a 0. Anytime you're about to start your movement, your initial position is the 0. The first command says you should move to the left once. Why left? Because it's a negative number. And as I said, if you see negative, it means move to the left. So we have moved once. Now we are on negative 1. Then the next command says move to the left. How many times? 4 times. Move to the left 4 times. So from negative 1, we are moving 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And where do we have that destination? That is a negative 5. You see, this is just by using the number line. You see how easy it is to use the number line? Well, that is fine. Let's take some few more examples. So we have 4, then plus negative 2. 4 plus negative 2. Your initial position is the 0. You see? So you start by saying move 4 paces. As I said earlier on, if there is no sign, then you are moving to the right. So let's move 4 paces. 1, 2, 3, 4 paces. This is where we are now. Then the next command says we should move to the left. To the left, how many paces? 2 paces. So on the 4 now, we are moving to the left. So we're initially on the 4. 1, 2 paces to the left. You see? And that brings us to what? 2. So our answer here is 2. All I'm saying is addition and subtraction with the number line is all about movement. If you hear positive, move to the right. If it's negative, move to the left. Let's solve this last example. Now, this last one here says negative 3 plus 5. Negative 3 plus 5. So for negative 3 plus 5, how do we go about it? As I have said, your initial position before any movement is the 0. So starting from our 0, we move to the left. Left because we have negative. So I'm moving to the left how many times? 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. That brings me here. Then the next command says, let's move to the right 5 times. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is my destination? A 2. So my answer is what? 2. So basically, this is how we add and subtract integers using the number line. So these are some exercises you can try on your own. See you in our next video where we look at multiplication of integers. I do hope this video will be helpful. Stay safe and then bye.